How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's the day where we finally lower this super stock Mitsubishi Eclipse. I could fit pretty much my whole hand in here. I'm actually gonna go to two DSMers' house today. I have to go pick up the drive shaft brackets for the drive shaft for this Eclipse, the EVOS swapped one. And we're also going to another DSMer's house. He actually got coilovers, so he's gonna be giving me his old suspension setup so we could actually lower it. It might be like 2 or 3 inches, I really don't know, but it should look a lot better once it's all finished. We are gonna have to drill out the bracket, so I'm gonna be checking my drill. And I don't have drill bits, so I'm actually gonna go ahead and go to Home Depot first and get some real quick. I actually don't have gas as well, like always. So we're gonna stop by the gas station real quick. Gas prices are crazy right now in California, by the way. If you're not from here, you're lucky, because we have to pay like $3.90 to like $4 something for a gallon of gas, which is ridiculous. But you gotta pay to be out here, so it is what it is. Get to the gas station first, then Home Depot. Then we're gonna head out to Eric's house, which is in Paris first. So let's go. Bruh. $44.62 to fill it up. Alright, just got to Home Depot. I'll get back to you guys right now once I have the drill bit, and then we can start heading out. We are here. What up? Where's the talent? In the back? When did you guys get this one?
Like a month ago?
Wait, is it a 9? Oh, it's an 8, huh? Let me see it. Damn, it's all stock, huh?
I freaking hit a pothole, dude.
On the Evo? Wait, is that the EVOS?
Yeah.
Does it hold air?
I'm not sure. Like, actually, blew the motor.
You blew the motor on it?
Yeah.
Damn. All right, so here's the drive shaft on GSXs. These are the drive shaft brackets. You need 2. Here's one, and the second one's right up there. So you basically just drill them out, and then we have to re-weld them on my 2G, and then that way it'll hold the drive shaft. Either we're gonna run a GSX one or an EVO one, I'm not too sure yet, but this is what we have to basically run, so it holds it up there. Oh, there you go. Boom. All right, we finally got final bracket. Look at his arm. Oh, shit. All right, so we finally got the brackets. Huge thanks to Eric. Go follow his IG, his Evo, and Sabrina's. We're actually all gonna go meet up at Tony's house right now. He needs some help with his talent. I know you've guys seen his car. He's been in a couple of my videos. He needs help with his car, so I'm actually gonna head out there right now. Carlos is also going, and then we're gonna work on both cars. So we gotta lower this one, and then we also, I think we gotta change out the trans, do the timing on his talent. I'm not too sure, but we're gonna get there, wait till Danny gets there with the springs, and then we'll start lowering this car as well. So. About to pull this thing up. This is actually my old talent, if you guys don't know. Bro, what the fuck? Freaking DSM. Backwards. Okay, redo. All right. All right, so what's the move?
It'll have to come out.
We're gonna swap out the transmission or what?
Yeah.
All right, like 30 minutes later, we got the engine out. Now we're just gonna go ahead and disconnect the transmission, swap it out, and then do the timing real quick. And by that time, Danny should be here with the spring. So, all right. So while they work on that right there, I'm actually gonna go ahead and start on working on the car. First thing you want to do is remove the lug nuts. Obviously, yours might come with a key. Mine's just a 21 millimeter. Loosen them so that when it's up in the air, you could actually remove the wheels. So I'll do that first. Of course, you want to put a Jackson under there, but they are using it, so I'm actually just going to go ahead and place the wheel right under the chassis. All right, so once you have that set up, To do the rears, basically, you have to remove this bolt back here. This is a 17 millimeter, and you have to remove 2 more bolts up here. These are both 14. Of course, you have to take out the cover first. So once you remove these and these, you basically push the strut that way and then push it out of the car. This is just for the rear. The front is a little more complex, but I'm gonna do the rears first, and once I take this out, I'll be right back with you guys. Oh, there you go. It's kind of hard to do it while I'm recording, but there you go. We got one out. All right, now I'm gonna work towards, already got the top off. Now I just gotta take care of this bolt, take it off, and the rears will be off. All right, so both of the rear spring or strut setup is removed from the car. Of course, you can get this at AutoZone. These are spring compressors. You don't need these, but I highly recommend them because once you remove this bolt, the spring has a lot of tension and it basically explodes. You basically could hurt someone or hurt yourself by doing this, so I always recommend using these. You pretty much attach them to the spring, compress the spring, so that way when you remove this, it comes off without any pressure, basically. Danny's still not here. Once he gets here, I will do the same setup for his suspension setup, put the lowering springs from his shocks onto this one, and then put it back into the car. I think I hear Danny. Is he here? Yeah, I think that is him. There you go. Hey. What up? If you guys don't know, this thing has my old engine from my 420A. Carbon fiber wing. There's the springs. Alright, so now that we got the new spring set up, we're going to go ahead and remove the spring from these shocks and then place it on these and then rebuild them so that we have a complete suspension component. So once we're done with pretty much this side, then we'll get back to you guys. Alright, so we got one to put together. You guys can see the size difference. It should be like around 2 inches. We'll see though. I'm going to go ahead and put this one back in here. Alright, me and Danny got the second rear shock set up. Now we're just gonna go ahead and put it on real quick. This. This. Now we just gotta go ahead and tighten the 17 millimeter bolt back here, and the rears are done. So we'll move over to the front. I should probably flip the car around, huh?
Yeah, it'll be easier.
We'll flip it, yeah.
Yep.
Alright, so we got both the rears done. Just still working on the challenge. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the wheels on. Lower the rear first, and then go ahead and turn around the car, and then start working towards the front. We're actually gonna see how much of a difference the rear, the stock suspension to a lowering springs. These are teen, by the way. These are the green ones, so they're teen. We'll see how much of a difference they make right now.
Wait.
What? It's on a jack over there now?
Yeah, we should do it at the same time.
Oh, it's that time? Okay, we're gonna do it at the same time. Hold on. Don't leave yet. Watch how long.
I am. I can't leave without Tony anyways. Oh, drop.
I'll tell you when I'm counting.
I think that this side's gonna drop faster than this side. 1,
Oh yeah.
2, 3. Oh shit! That's way better. Dude, that's way better. That's some like, you got a 1-finger gap right there.
4-finger gap, and now it's like you could barely take
That's about 2 inches.
On this side.
That's about a 2-inch drop right there.
It's nice though.
It does.
Yeah, let me see from the back.
You gotta roll these fenders right
Nah,
here.
they're 16s, bro.
Oh yeah.
Now I got some camber. Look at that.
You barely put a finger here on the one.
Think I'll rub?
Yeah, it's gonna rub.
Alright, so we got the rears. I'm actually gonna drive the car out, turn it around real quick, and then we can work on the fronts.
Once he goes to the bottom, once he does the front, that's gonna look nice. Where's that? There you go. That's better.
All right, so once you remove the front wheels, what do you do, Danny?
I take off this one. I don't know what it's called.
So the lower control on?
This
Yeah,
one?
so
Yeah.
what size bolt is that?
17.
It's a 17 millimeter. Once you remove that, and you remove the spindle
Yep.
right over here, this one. So these are the bolts you need to take off. They're 14. Right here. These 3. Yeah, these are ratchet. There we go, it's off. Alright, cool, let's swap the springs. Alright, we got them both together. Put them back on. It's basically the reverse of what, the reverse of basically how you took them out. Super easy. Once we have them on, we'll show you guys how it looks towards the end, and I'll probably do like a little cinematic video of like the finished product.
I'm not scared of him.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god, dude. You just slammed.
That's better.
Damn.
Hey, can you take out the jack out?
Can I take out the jack? Yeah, I can. You got like one finger we'll get. And it still has to settle. Damn. This thing looks nice. Looks good, huh?
Looks better than before.
I know.
Like when you had the monster truck?
Woo. Alright guys, so it's the following day. I actually let the car sit overnight to see if the springs would actually settle some more, and they did go a little lower, especially in the rear. If you can see, the tire is like almost touching the quarter panel. It still doesn't rub though, which is really good. I'm really happy. This is actually this car's first official mod. If you guys remember when I got it, it's completely stock. I do have a new front lip coming in and some side skirt extensions. And I am currently looking for some Evo 10 wheels to run temporarily until I go wide body and probably run these Enki and TO3s. But till then, I will be documenting, you know, the whole build process with this car. I know a lot of you guys see this car, but sadly I didn't start making videos until recently. So this car was pretty much already finished. With this car, you'll actually be able to see its full complete transformation from the get-go, which is awesome. And a lot of like the new guys or people that want to get into DSMs, you'll be able to see how to change certain things, what to do, and where to get them. So it'll be awesome. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys actually enjoyed the white DSM, or if you guys like to see the silver DSM or the Evo videos, let me know in the comments. I really want to know because I'm curious. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Have a good day, and I'll see you on the next one.